Directly on the heels of Halloween, we are starting to see some scary trends in the Southern Maryland housing market areas. While interest rates and home prices continue to increase, it seems as if the buyer pool has decreased because they're a little bit spooked right now. New listings and new pending sales have decreased this month significantly. New listings dropped over 27%, and those that went pending dropped over 23%. Then you kick in interest rates, which this morning just hit 8.25%, and the feds are meeting again to determine whether they're going to go up one more time. Now, keep in mind, historically, over the past 25 years, interest rates have been 9%. So hold on to your hats, we're gonna see what happens. These strains on home buyers and the lack of market activity is not what is typical for the market in Southern Maryland. For those buyers who did stay in the market, we did see a median sale increase in prices by 8.74%. Even though the months of supplies rose month over month by 20%, the inventory levels are still incredibly low and not what would be considered a normal housing market in the Southern Maryland region. Across Southern Maryland, 416 units sold, which is a decrease of almost 20% from last year. The homes sold in 20 days, which is 4 days less than numbers compared to 2022. It's still a good time to be a home buyer. Don't be afraid of the interest rates. As they say, marry the house, date the rate. You know, you can always refinance later, and you're gonna miss out on your dream home if you sit on the sidelines, because what's gonna happen is when the interest rates drop going into 2024, you're right now a very small pool of buyers, but in the spring, summer, fall of next year, there are gonna be a bunch of you. And you are gonna be competing for the same houses, and you're gonna be in the same scenario we were before, where you're gonna overpay for a house because you gotta win and compete against all those other bids. So if you have any questions, let's sit down, let's talk about it. I'm here to help you.